beautiful, except they cut their grass 6 times a week. They're always cutting their grass, running the lawnmower. That's a Leo. I think you can see him there. Let me telephoto. We'll try to get a zoom in on Leo. There's Leo. He had a heart attack last year and some kidney problems or something, so he just sits there and his wife cuts the grass. They're always cutting the grass. So anything wrong with this neighborhood is they're always cutting the grass. I'm sure you can hear it. Good thing I have audio. You guys know what we have to put up with here. Panning the backyard. Once again, the famous Bogie eating his bone. Bogue, you want to smile for us, please? Bogue? Thank you. That's all he's going to do. He's busy. We'll just listen to this for a while, okay? I know the visuals aren't real good, but I'm sure you'll get the audio. Leo probably went in for another beer. There they are, through the fence. Well, here we are. This is dinner. We're having chicken tonight. Does anybody like chicken? Oh, does that look good or what, huh?
Did you say Tuesday night?
Well, here we are, folks, in the Hammer Breezeway, about to have a gourmet dinner. There's Laura. She doesn't like to be seen on film, but we'll get a glimpse of her here. If it gets darker, we'll do some candlelight, some oldies on the radio. The kids are going for the evening. Yes, this is our idea of a gourmet dinner. We got the Budweiser and the wine and the card table and the breezeway. Doesn't get much better than this, huh, guys? Well, we'll come back to you later. Well, this is the front of our house. Just pan around a little bit here. This is facing the south. Around to the west. I don't know if you can see the mountains. We'll continue on around to the north. I'll show you the neighborhood. And what'd you say?
The oil is hot.
It's supposed to be, isn't it? Here's Michael. He's under the car.
Changing the oil.
Of course, you got to realize this is his car. Not a bad looking first car for a 16-year-old kid, huh? Let's zoom in on him again, see what he's up to. So, how's it going under there?
Pretty good, I guess.
Pretty tough to keep this camera still. Maybe I should get the tripod,
You
huh?
have that new washer, Dad?
Yeah. You want it?
Yeah.
Alright, pause. I'm going to work for Mike now. Mike has a request. I got to go fetch parts for Mike. So just hang on. We'll be... What's wrong?
pull.
The bolt! What's wrong with the bolt? Let me see.
It's starting to strip out on one corner.
You can't get it out? Is that what you're telling me?
No, I'm telling you, it's starting to get stripped out on one corner.
Well, we got a new one.
Oh.
Did
Well,
you
that's
take
okay.
it out yet?
No,
Well, let's take it out. Jesus Christ, who put this in here again?
I did.
Told you not that tight.
I didn't. I just kind of snugged it up a little bit.
You did, huh?
What's the...
Well, quit working out. We might need a bigger wrench ship.
Want me to go get one?
No, I got it. I'm stronger than you still. I got it.
See that plastic pan back there behind the oil pan?
Yeah.
Is that just a drip pan?
Yep, it's just a drip pan. Covers
like-
up the flywheel and the torque converter.
It's got like holes in this.
Yeah. And so the oil leaks out. Oh, jeez. That's hot, Mike.
That's what I've been telling you, Dad.
Well, we can take it though. We're tough, right?
Yep.
You gotta change the oil when it's hot, you know? Or it don't drain out. Say something to the camera.
Say something to the camera.
God, it's black. We just changed it.
I know.
What the hell's going on here?
Well, that's almost 600 miles ago. But
Well,
still,
shit. It shouldn't look like that after 600.
it's got a new air filter in there.
Open this up, see if it looks the same. A new air filter, yeah, that'll help.
Well, it has one on there now. It's pretty new. Just picked it up. Let me see that. This one's bigger. Let me see.
Different threads too, long threads. Coarse threads, fine threads.
So you just have to switch washers, huh?
Yeah, if we can do that, if we can get this guy out there.
Should be able to break it off, right?
Ow! Yeah.
Yeah.
It was either my nail or the washer, I'm not sure which.
Click for the washer.
Yeah, what kind of replacement is that? It's the wrong threads.
Camera replacement, right?
We have a screwdriver out here.
What kind?
Flat blade. Medium-sized flat blade. Oh!
Hurting yourself again.
Yeah, that's okay. I'm used to it. You do your own work, you gotta be ready to be hurt. What else can I say? Well, the new one fits much better.
Does it?
Yeah, I think we're in business here. Do we have a rag? This could drip all night. I think that's good enough. What do you think? Let's wipe the hole off here.
Mm-hmm.
Get a clean shot at it. I'll stick the plug in with
Looked like it was still coming out pretty hard there.
Nah, we'll just change oil again in 500 miles.
Okay.
I'm gonna stay here all night and do this. You want to drive the car tonight, don't you?
Yeah, probably.
All right. Well, let's get it done. Oh, I think this will work good. Fresh washer.
Snug, not too tight.
Just snug, not too tight. Snug, not too tight. You guys hear that? If you're ever going to change
Aluminum
oil,
pan.
snug, not too tight. Now, Mike's going to do the rest of it. My part's done.
Thanks
This bolt we can throw away. It was worth it for the washer, $1.97.
for
GM probably
plastic
would have
washer.
cost us $3 just for the washer, so. I might throw that in your toolbox. Might
We-
match somebody's plug someday.
Probably Lisa's Honda or something, yeah?
Yeah.
Garbage.
Toss that. Well, I'm stuck here. I can't get out now. My back hurts. I'm going to try.
There you go.
Yeah! Okay,
Thanks a lot.
sure.
Can I use new oil to do the seal, or can I use the old stuff in the filter?
I think you got new stuff.
New stuff?
Yeah,
Can't use the old
old, no, it'll be okay. But if there's grit in it, you don't want to do it. Yeah, just stick your finger, just get your finger wet.
It's look kind of black for new oil.
Yeah, it's heavy oil. My finger's wet. Give me the filter. Okay, well I can't touch the camera now because my hands are all dirty. I'll have to let it roll till I get back.
Okay. Maybe I'll do something exciting.
Yeah.
Have the car follow me or something.
Yeah, we'll have it on film.
For the insurance.
Something official.
Put the new filter in now. Oh. So wipe it off. It's good. Dad took my rag. Oh, no, he didn't. Tight. Probably too tight. That right.
Well, the car hasn't fallen down yet. I guess we're okay, huh?
Yeah.
I don't know. I think the camera's still running.
Probably.
It says it is. It's been watching us, Mike.
Uh-oh.
Well, I'm back now. My hands are clean. All right. What's going on here? What are we doing, Mike?
Just put the new filter on. We're going to put 4 quarts of oil in.
4 quarts of oil. Okay. Well, why 4?
Just because I don't want to overfill it. And I want to leave some room for... I'm going to go buy a can of STP oil treatment tomorrow.
So how many quarts does this car take?
5 with the new filter.
5. Are you sure it's not 4.5?
Oh. Yeah.
Okay, well, we'll see. This is the Camino. We're done
All Chevy
underneath.
small blocks take.
You didn't drain the tranny fluid though yet, right?
No, not yet.
Yeah, we still got to do that. Okay. Hang on a sec.
Notice this is Valvoline.
Valvoline.
Best
that's
oil
the
you can
best.
buy.
It's ashless, right?
Yeah.
It has no ash in it. I know
10
some girls that have
10W40.
no ash. No, that's... Never mind. Using the funnel so we don't spill it all over the car.
Just had a fresh valve job. That's probably good, I think. Enough oil.
Sure. We got lots of money. We don't have to drain the old cans. Might as well get some detail on this engine over here. Let's see. We're at the driver's side front headlight. This is a carbon canister. This is a windshield wiper. There's a warning on here. Well, zoom back. Okay, can you see that warning?
Where's that?
Hang on.
Okay.
We're going to detail things out here. See what the engine looks like. We have the AC unit here. Freshly recharged. Well, alright, well... Yes, we're still changing oil.
There's a third quart.
Quart number 3, alright.
Getting there.
Look pretty serious, Mike. You don't want to
Serious
spill
job.
any. You don't, you don't want to spill any, right?
Yep. It's clean under here. You recording?
Yes.
We're on quart number 4 here.
Alright.
Finishing up.
About ready to start it and check the oil pressure.
Actually, I'm going to wait till I drain the transmission to do that.
Oh, good idea.
I don't want it to get too hot under there.
Well, Laura's finally decided to wash her Honda. You're on TV.
You're absolutely correct. Oh, that is good. What's the title on the group?
Well, there's Camino. You watched the oil change earlier. We have a leak. Mike says it's not the oil filter. It's not the oil pan plug. It's not the transmission plug. He thinks it's just the extra oil he's... Alright, last shot. We got the battery flashing. You can tell Laura's car is all soaped up. Oh, just look at that soap. This car is going to be clean. This is a ball. Bogie found this special tennis ball. Bogie, can I have the ball? Bogie, can I have the ball? Please, bring the ball back. This is a documentary of the Corvette and the other vehicles for insurance purposes. Okay, what we have to do here is date the Corvette. For current, this is 1990. This is July 1990. Fresh stickers. Good till 91. What we're going to do here is get all angles of the Corvette. I'm going to zoom in on a little detail here. Just gives you an idea. All the wheels look this good. Red line tires. Completely stock. The inside of the car. Just trying to get out of focus. The carpeting. Everything is in really good shape. Some valve cover gaskets for the El Camino. Inside of the door. Even the weather stripping is in good condition. This is the engine compartment. We still have the original chrome wire shields. Overflow tank. I think we can read the numbers on it here. And the front of the car. Well, we're just about out of film. Here's the Honda. There's new Honda. New Cadillac. And again the Corvette. Just want you to see the detail. The cleanness of the car. And we're almost out of tape, so we'll do some more shots of the El Camino. New exhaust system. We might as well get all the motorized vehicles. This is our lawn tractor.